In this video, I'll guide you on how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. Do Not Disturb is a feature on iPhone and Android devices that when turned on, it will silence all notifications and even pop-ups. It is convenient when you're focused and don't want any distractions. In this video, I'll guide you on how to enable it, disable it, and even schedule it. First off, open the control icon by sliding down your screen from the top right corner. Then you click on focus mode and then tap on do not disturb to turn it on. Then you can tap it again to disable it or turn it off. Then if you want to schedule it, you go over to settings, click on settings, then you scroll down to focus, click on it, then click on do not disturb, then scroll down to add schedule. Then you click on time or location or app, anyone you want. In this video, we'll use time. Then we set the time we want and turn it on.